Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. This week in Storytime, we talked about sports. There are so many different kinds of sports and so many different teams that play all those sports. So one thing that, of course, is very important, no matter what kind of sport you play, is that you have the right shoes, of course. So this week's craft, you guys will get to design your own shoes. Now, I decorated my shoes after my favorite team, which are the Cincinnati Bengals. Yeah, unfortunately, maybe you don't realize that yet, but they're not a really good team. But I still love them. They're my hometown team. So my little sneakers look like Bengal tigers, but you can decorate yours however you like. The fun part about this craft is that you are going to learn how to tie your shoes. It's a very important skill because if you leave your shoes untied, you might fall down. So here's what you're going to get when you come by the library to pick up your supplies. And you can come into the building and ask for them, or you can give us a ring from the parking lot and we will bring it right out to you. But you're going to get this sheet of paper that has your two shoes, and you will get your shoe laces. What you will need in addition to this, of course, are your big box of crayons so you can decorate them really cool. And of course, scissors to cut them out once you have colored them in, and you will need a hole puncher. You see these little holes right here are the rivets. That's where your laces are going to go through. So you will just use your hole puncher to pop those out, and then your grown-up can help you lace these up and teach you how to tie them. And it's great because it's one of those things that once you learn how, you never forget. Kind of like reading. I hope you have so much fun decorating your own shoes, and we will see you next week right here on Curbside Crafting at the Maitland Public Library. Have a great day.